Somebody once asked me if I have a favorite scale. And I asked back what he meant by favorite scale. Any scale can be favorite depending on how well you are able to use it. Yes, an alphabetical succession of notes having definite relationship with a starting note is called a scale. There are 1,000 scales. We have the gypsy scales. I've treated all these scales here. Yes, so I'm not going into detail to teach scales, but I'm going to highlight some important points you need to note in the studies of scales. There are so many positions a particular scale can be played on the guitar fretboard. Every beginner will be introduced to the major scale, of course. That is the most common scale. I remember I started learning the major scale across the individual shapes of the chord system. So when I pick the first shape here, then I will learn the C open major scale. The first one, and I go to the next shape, which is the A shape, and I move to the G shape. Then to the E shape. Re mi fa sol la ti do, re mi fa sol la ti do. Then to the D shape. Do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la sol fa mi re do. There are no identification marks on my guitar. This is why I'm showing you pictures on the neck diagram. So if you can't figure it out here, check it on the neck diagram and you will find it. Yes. Okay, when I learned this, the major scale became a very important scale for me. But it became my favorite scale after someone introduced me to the 3 notes on a string. That was a game changer. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Re, do, ti, la, so, fa. Mi, re, do, ti, la, so. What? The 6th, the 5th, and the 4th strings have the same shapes. They have the same pattern. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So when you are running, it's so easy and smooth. So the number of things I was able to do with this shape. Do ti la, so fa mi, re do ti, la so fa, mi re do, ti la so, and then back. This is nice. Okay, so it became a game changer. This is one shape I would encourage you to learn. Do ti la so fa mi, re do ti la so fa mi re do. And if you learn this, the major scale will become one of your favorite scales. But one most important scale is the chromatic scale, because I'm able to connect other scales together using the chromatic scale. You can get so many chromatic positions here. But one of my favorites that I would urge you to learn is this. When we are going up, do, ti, to, la, lo, so, fa, mi, mo, re, ro, do. And when you're going down, starting from the 3rd string at the 5th fret position, it becomes do, di, re, re, mi, fa, fi, so, zi, la, li, ti, do. The sophoric name going up differs from coming down. When you're going down, when you're going backward, that's where we use the to, the lo, the so, and the others. And when you're going, you are sharpening it. Then we are using the li, the fi, the zi, the d, and what have you. So interesting, right? If you learn the chromatic scale this way, it will become one of your favorite. Because you can run. One time and you go. So that's one thing. And then when I'm even playing the pentatonic scale, for instance, do, la, so, mi, re, do, do, re, do, la, so. I'm able to connect them together using chromatics. So instead of playing so, la, do, re, I play so, si, la, do, re. So, si, la, do, di, re. You hear this often in my improvisation, right? I'm connecting these ones with the chromatic scale, right? I've taught you most of this here. They are all here on YouTube. So go through my videos. You will get them. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the best opportunity to do it. My name is George Ankuma Mensah, or popularly known as Spratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to press on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you will readily have it. And in case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson, guitar lessons, proper guitar lessons, hey, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. You can text me, WhatsApp me, give me a call, and I'll respond to them. Yes. So after the chromatic scale, the next you need to learn maybe should be the pentatonic scale. Do, la, so, mi, re, do. This is the most popular. You should learn it. Certain scales are game changers. The moment you learn them, they introduce you to a whole new world of improvisation. So when it comes to the pentatonic scale, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Do, la, so, mi, re, do, la. Do, la, so, la. So, mi, re, mi. Re, do, la, do. La, so, mi, so. Mi, re, do, la. You see, it's nice, right? If you hear Bob Marley's I Don't Wanna Wait in Vain, somewhere in the solo there, guitarists use this. And just one additional note to the pentatonic scale will give you the blues scale. The blues scale is do, mo, fa, fi, so, do, do, to, so, fi, fa, mo, do. And the blues scale can become your favorite if you can do so many things with it. For instance, I like where I make sure two notes are heard at any particular point in time that I touch the strings. So I heard do is constant and I'm moving so, fa, mi, fa, fi, so, to and fro. One shape I would wish you learn is this. Is this not beautiful? That is the blues scale. La, mo, re, do, to, so, fa, mo, mi, do, Now you slide from a mo to a mi, or mo, mi, do. This is nice. I like the whole tone scale. The whole tone scale becomes my favorite scale when it comes to modulation, changing keys, moving from, say, a C to a C sharp. Whole means move in whole steps. Re, mi, fi, zi, to, do, or. That's the whole scale. So if I want to change from a C to a C sharp, then I'll start from. Then I move one to get my C sharp using the whole tone scale. You see how smooth? This is transient modulation. I'm changing a song from a C to a C sharp. So I started from do, re, mi. the do becomes my T. T, do. So based on the use to which you put the scale, it can become your favorite. And then the diminished scale. What? Look at this. The half whole diminished. Mi, fa, so, si, do, do. You see? This is a very beautiful scale. So I pick certain notes out of these scales to end my songs beautifully. For instance, and now I know, yes I know, he holds the future, and life is well, the living just because he lives and life. You see? So the fa mi re do. You see? So what is your favorite scale? Any scale that you can use to the point that you are happy about it. Leave your comment, like this video, share it, describe our page to others. See you again and soon.